I'm Shu, co-founder of Credify. Financial services face extremely high customer acquisition costs. These services try to reach out to potential users through like Facebook, Google, or some channels like that. But these channels are not always accurate about user segmentation. Also, onboarding processes for financial services are causing a bad user experience due to KYC or a lot of paperwork and registration process. And this results in costing the financial institutions $300 per successful conversion in average. So Credify is addressing this issue with two technologies, an IDX and serviceX. And IDX is a self-sovereign identity system where users can control the data themselves, but Credify is not holding any information about users. And users can go through verification process like SMS, email, and KYC. And they can attach their information provided by trusted data source in Credify, like a bank or credit scoring company. These companies can provide the data to Credify users. And serviceX is an embedded finance platform built on top of IDX. So serviceX enables enterprises cross-offer the services across Credify network. So let's think about Rakuten ecosystem. So we are connecting different companies, just like Rakuten, but so we can connect completely different company using our IDX system. And we believe that finance as a service and embedded finance are the future of digital client engagement for financial institutions. Next, let's go to serviceX dashboard. Let's say I'm a marketer working for OCB, and in this screen, I'm gonna create a new offer. And I will select industries that I'm interested in, and I will select banner image, and I will input offer's name and offer's description and from when to when. And I can see available data sources or marketplace where I can get users from. I'm gonna set up e-commerce Sendo, and I can see available data pieces provided by Sendo. And here I can see pricing as well. So Sendo score is provided for $1 and total payment amount is provided for $1. So each data access, I have to pay this amount of money for successful conversion. In this screen, I can set up threshold of this offer. So I can set up threshold against Sendo score and say I will set from 0 to 99. In Sendo platform, users who falls under this range can see this offer. And also I can set up multiple level so that I can personalize this offer to each user in Sendo. And I will set up level 1, level 2, level 3. And the right top side, you can see how many users I can reach out to across Sendo. Everything is dynamically changed, but Credify is not holding any information about actual Sendo data. So Credify is just referring metadata of Sendo. And now I can see preview and I will confirm to create a new offer. That's it. In this process, I didn't have any visibility about actual Sendo users' data, but I can create personalized offer very simply. Let's see the flow of end users. Now I'm a user of Sendo, not Credify yet. So Sendo is e-commerce platform in Vietnam. And I open Sendo web application and I can see a banner that says I can get more benefit. And when I tap the banner, I can see available deals using my data. So Sendo has data about myself and Sendo is personalizing the deal using Credify system. And I'm interested in getting an offer from OCB, a local bank in Vietnam. And I will set up my password to enable this process. So once I set up my password, I have to log in using the same password. And now I can see my data and consent page. So I can select which information I will share with OCB from Sendo. And when I change the consent, then this offer will change dynamically. And let's say I'm interested in getting full offer, so I'm going to share Sendo score and total payment amount to OCB. And when I authorize this, then OCB can get data from Sendo, and my onboarding process to OCB is done. It's quite simple, and this is using OpenID Connect, which is a standard of internet. Credify has two business models, SaaS and white labeling. In serviceX, service providers can acquire new users, and in each successful conversion, service providers will have to pay commission for data providers, user providers, and Credify will take 20% of each transaction. On the other hand, in white labeling solution, Credify will charge one-off implementation fee and monthly license and maintenance fee. Last year, Credify deployed the first application of IDX in Japan, so we had revenue last year. The Credify team is quite unique and diverse. So CEO Makoto is from the US, but naturalized to Japan, so we met in Tokyo. I'm from Japan, learned machine learning in Tokyo, Todai. And Maurizio, our CFO, is from Italy, and he has really long experience in finance background. We started in Singapore because our intention is building global product, not only the Japanese product. So we set up company in Singapore 2 years ago, and we have subsidiary in Tokyo and Saigon in Vietnam. Thank you.